Okay, hello, my friends. So I hope you are well. I came again here to show you a better condition picture. Oh, it says cotton in Korean cotton, but it seems like Eden. Like my office name is Eden. Hello everyone, I'm a representative of Eden Realty Company. I'm on the first floor, but can you see out there? So first floor, but above ground level, because under this floor there's another. Let me stretch my arm. Here, can you see another other people's house on below this floor? So basement, it has basement, and this one is the first floor. Good window frame. I, I spent so much time here in the main bedroom, but overall, like this, good lighting, and this one, nice ceiling. Our living room, it has a air conditioner in the living room, and there is no aircon in the bedroom. Mm, Maybe the landlord may consider providing a air conditioner in the bedroom, but it's not fixed yet. So you have your private area for what is this for coffee or balcony. You may, I would say that the balcony or porch. I would say porch. It should be porch. I should call porch. That's the gate, and this part used to be a window, but the landlords are smartly getting rid of the bricks and put some what is they replaced this wall with glasses so that they make it daylight. This one is the second bedroom. I was curious what it is that door, but it's locked, so I will paint. So I don't want to spend your time trying to open the door. This one should be the second bedroom. West facing, the east facing main bedroom. This one is the bathroom, regular size. Nice shower then. Ceiling looks great because easy to get rid of mold if there's any mold. So, but there is no mold at all. New floor and new wallpaper. Nice ceiling in the living room. Let's come out of turn off the lighting condition. It's 3 p.m. about 3 p.m. now. Thank you very much.